Hello student, I have explained this lesson in earlier videos. Now today I am dictating you the question answer of this lesson which you have to write in your classwork copy. How do historians express time in history? Historians express time in history in the form of BC and AD. Question number 2. What is prehistory? Prehistory is the period of human development when people did not know how to read and write. Prehistory is that account of the past events about which we do not have any information in writing. Question number 3. Describe the main sources of history. There are two sources of history. First, archaeological sources. Second, literary sources. First, archaeological sources include fossils, remains, burial sites, tools and implements, monuments, pottery, and inscriptions. Literary sources are of two types, religious and secular. Question number 4. What is the Periplus of Erythraean Sea? The Periplus of Erythraean Sea is a Roman period guide or a book to trade and navigation in the Indian Ocean. Question number 5. What are monuments? Old buildings and ruins of historical importance which have survived the test of time are called monuments. These structures are mostly found at temple, tombs, stupa, palaces, and forts. Question in detail. First question: give reason why we should study history. Question number 1. Answer: history tells us about our culture, its evolution, and our society. Number 2. When we understand how several cultures and civilization interacted with each other, we learn the spirit of tolerance. Number 3. With the help of history, we can understand the way civilization flourished and invention and discoveries were made. Number 4. The nature of present day problems may be seen in the light of history. They also help us find solution of our problems. Question number 2 आपका है, how do coins help us to study history? Normally the coins were made of metal or the alloys made during that period. The coin indicate the level of scientific advancement during that era. Sometimes coins provide information about the nature and religions of the kings. For example, the coin issued by Samudragupta were carved with her picture with Veena, which indicate the love for music. Question number 3. How do tools and pottery help in determining history? Tools and pottery help in determining history as follows. Tools. Many tools used by early people have been found at various archaeological sites. They help us to know about the kind of life those people lived and tells us about their work and their society. Pottery. During excavation, many pots have also been unearthed. They are basically utensils made of clay or in later times of metal. They tell us about the culture, civilization, and level of development reached by the people of certain era. Question number 4. How does archaeology help us find out more about the past? Archaeologists carefully excavated places where ancient people lived. Excavations have brought to light many interesting objects. Pot and pottery, tools, weapons used by people of earlier times, ornaments and toys, coins, inscriptions, monuments, etc. are few of the things which tell us about the past of the man. Question number 5. What do you understand by time frame in history? History studies sources of history and classify them according to time. This is called chronology or time frame. It is important that each event is linked of a fixed point of time on a suitable scale. Time in history is studied in the form of BC and AD. The years before the birth of Christ are expressed as BC or before Christ. All dates in BC are counted backwards. AD stands for Anno Domini, which means the year of the Lord. They refer to the period in history after the birth of Christ. C, the letter C stand for Common Era and BCE stand for Before Common Era. Remaining part of exercise will be done in class.